Tideman Road in Brooklyn, Ohio. This is the Cleveland Airport location, or one of the Cleveland Airport locations. This hotel went through a fire a few years ago. But thankfully the elevators survived along with the hotel. They were able to rebuild the side that burned down. So let's take a ride on these Otis Series ones. Well, we're just gonna ride this car. £2,500 capacity. It's got the annoying fan. Door close button works. I think the chimes do work, they're just very quiet. Go ahead and head down in the lobby. Very typical Hampton Inn elevator. We're stopping on 3. Going down?
Yeah.
Come on in. You want the lobby?
Yep.
Alright. No problem. Please take care. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you. Station. And reopen. And we got copyright music. Oh, there's the pool and fitness. Alright, there it goes. And